guys, welcome back to Switching Gears. Today I'm going to be installing sun visors, or as many of you call rain guards, on Moon Knight. But right before that, I'm going to give her a little quick wash. And I just want to let people know that when I wash this car, I wash her with Dr. Beasley's, the detailing description. Now this wash was actually in the trunk when I first got the car, to my surprise. And when I saw it, it is specially made for white matte wash. It comes with a bunch of stuff. The white matte body wash, and then it comes with final finish, which you probably would do this towards the end. Matte cleanser. You do this like if there's hard stuff that you can't get out. The matte decon, you also do this when you're cleaning it, just in case you can't get out some of the smudges, some of the bird poop. And then it comes with the coating. And this coating I do at least twice a year, so that everything just glides off of my paint and doesn't stick to it. At least that's the idea. This right here, I love this one because what happens is when I clean this car, I get like black streaks coming down to it, and after I clean it, and this happens even if I take it to a hand car wash, which I do most of the time, or if I wash it myself, and I'll get black streaks like coming down here, get black streaks coming down here. And once I clean this thing, I let it dry, and then I hit it up with this matte decon. And then what happens is I leave it for like a half hour, and then I wipe it right off with a microfiber cloth, and it comes right out. It's like a magic eraser for white matte cars. Now I've had these installed in the car before, but since I did the chrome delete, I had to take them off and get the chrome delete done. So I ordered new ones, but what I also ordered is this black film so I can hide the chrome on it. Otherwise, it just defeats the purpose of me even actually having chrome delete in the car. So yeah, so I did this myself. It was fairly easy. It's not a perfect job, but hey, they're sun visors, so you know, most people just slap them on, really. These sun visors, in my opinion, are the best out there for Moon Knight because it's just so sleek and it looks like it's almost OEM. I will put the link in the description of where to get these sun visors, and they're not that expensive, but I think it's needed, especially at night. You might not want to turn on the AC if it's cool enough, or if you just want to get a little breeze and you don't want to turn on the AC or the fan, you could open up the window while it's raining. And yeah, so we're gonna slap those on right after I wash this baby up. Now the main reason why you actually want to wash this is because you want to get where the sun visor is going in a pristine condition, so that the 3M tape actually just gets in there and doesn't come out. Now I will be putting a adhesion promoter on the actual spot where the 3M tape is going to go, which is going to be applying even a better stick to the 3M tape, and it won't come out. That's exactly what I did with the last sun visors that I put, and it never came out until I took it off myself for the chrome delete. Now the way I wash the car is sectional. I do section by section. First I go with the hood and then the fenders, and then I go part by part, probably doors from the top, bottom, always from the top, bottom. And as you guys saw, I do it in a circular motion, wax on, wax off. A quick tip for the matte, for the white matte or any type of matte color that you have, you don't want to over rub. So if anything is stubborn, just give it a couple of rubs. Don't apply too much pressure. You don't want to over rub and actually burn the paint. So just give it a couple of rubs. If it's being stubborn, wet it, leave it for a little bit, and then give it a couple more rubs. And if it's actually still being stubborn, that's when I get the matte decon from Dr. Beasley's. I spray it, leave it there for 30 seconds, get it right off with the microfiber cloth. Alright, so we just washed this bad boy, and now we're gonna dry it, and I got the perfect leaf blower to dry this thing. This thing does great work, and if you have one, I suggest you actually try this leaf blower instead of like touching it with the microfiber cloth. It's not a bad idea to wipe it with microfiber cloth that's dry, but this just doesn't touch it at all, so can't go wrong with it. All right, so we just washed the cars, and then now it's time to put the rain guards on. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I've done it before, and I messed it up just a tiny bit. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it this time. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it correct. Not that I showed you guys before, but definitely gonna show you how to do it correct. So first, adhesion promoter, and then take the 3M tape off and put it on. I'm gonna start with the back. This is the super primer promoter, adhesion promoter. And just apply it everywhere, on all here. All right, let that dry for a second. And so the way I try to do this is I'm gonna open the door up just so I can have that little lip sticking out. Take this off all the way, goes like that. I'm gonna make sure that I'm buttoned up over here, not too close, but close enough to cover somewhat right there. I'm gonna come over here on the edge, line it up, lined it up, and now just apply pressure. I'm gonna see opening, closing the door. As you can see, it's not hitting. It's close, but it's not hitting, and that's what I wanted to make sure that it doesn't hit, because the last one, man, it just kept hitting and it was no good. And then this thing ended up breaking off because it was hitting so often. All right, and the next one, take the whole thing off, come over here, make sure that you lined up on here, lined up on here. Oh, these things are hot already. Oh, it's hot. It's a hot day. This is a perfect day to actually do this because it's a hot ass day. I'm surprised my camera hasn't overheated yet. Let's go on the other side. Show you guys just the gap on here, all around. All right, let's do this side now. I'm gonna take the 3M off. Now, I don't like to take the 3M off all the way, but these are rain guards, man. They're not even that crazy. Just make sure that, like I said, you start out, let's open the door, leave it like that. Start out over here. Make sure that this door, when it opens up, it does not hit. Like right there. Right there, I feel like it's best. Can you guys tell that I put this chrome delete by myself? Maybe not on camera, but I could tell. It's not a perfect job, but whatever. I just didn't want the chrome. There was no point for me to get a chrome delete if this was gonna have chrome, so I applied it myself. It took me like maybe an hour, put it on. I got it from Amazon, and now let's check it out. It's close. It's very close, but it's not hitting, so that's all I care about. I don't want it to hit. Start it over here, match it up. It sticks right away. The adhesion promotion and then the heat just work very well with one another right now. I mean, this thing is hot to the touch right now. All right. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty good. Just apply a little pressure and let the sun do the rest. I wouldn't be driving for like another, well, it's 90-degree weather right now, so I wouldn't be driving for another hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. But let's check out the finished product right here. Rain guards, sun visors, whatever you want to call them. is done. Gapping over here just could be a little bit better, but it's not that big of a deal. Anything, I could always take this off and reapply it, but I'm not mad at it. Let's take these links off. And if you have like something like glue or some type of glue on here, I would just get Gooby Gone and just take it right off. It doesn't hurt your paint. Let's look on this side. This is very well even right here. I like this side a little bit better as of now. All right guys, so we're done with this video. Moon Knight just got a wash, got carbon fiber pillars, got some sun visors, aka rain guards. I also did the Adro body kit a couple of weeks ago, and let me know if you actually like these mods that I'm doing for the car. I think the white with the carbon fiber just matches in so beautifully, especially the Verbier white. Maybe I'm being biased because it's my car and it's Verbier white, but I think the white with the carbon fiber contrast just matches beautifully. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, keep switching gears. Stay safe. Peace out.